Changing the phone number on your Instagram ID is one of those things that feels simple until it isn't. I get these questions a lot because nearly everyone's had a phone number change at least once in their whirlwind millennial life. Instagram made it easier, but you'd be shocked at how many people put this off. Maybe it's because they're afraid of locking themselves out or just subconsciously treating social media like a burner phone. Lost access? Start over. But that doesn't have to be you. First, open the Instagram app. Yes, I know this isn't hidden knowledge, but you'd be amazed how many people try to do this from a browser or on a device that's already logged out. Stick with the basics: your main phone, the main app. Head to your profile by tapping that little person icon at the bottom right. If you're juggling multiple accounts, like your food blog, dog fan page, and alter ego, you'll want to make sure you're signed into the right one. Now, look for the Edit Profile button near the top. This will take you to a menu where you can change your photo, your username, even your pronouns if you're feeling saucy. Scroll down to Personal Information Settings. There it is, your phone number. Tap the phone number field. Here's the pain point. For some, the number might be outdated, or maybe you never even set one in the first place. But to secure your account, it's better to update, even if you plan on never actually answering calls. Delete the old number and enter your new number. Instagram will prompt you to verify this with a code. This part is crucial because without verification, your changes won't stick. I've seen people skip this and assume it worked. Don't be that person. When Instagram sends you the code, enter it right away. You've got about 60 seconds before it expires. If you're prone to checking your texts 2 days later, guilty. Just know you'll be requesting another. Pro tip: use a number you'll keep. If you're tempted to throw in a Google Voice number just for fun, remember, should you ever get locked out, SMS verification is your golden ticket back in. No access, no recovery. Simple math. Once verified, you'll see your new number in the settings. Snap a quick screenshot if you're the anxious type. I know people who keep screenshots of everything important just in case digital amnesia strikes. There's an added bonus here. An up-to-date number isn't just good for logging in. If someone attempts to hack your account or you get a weird login alert, Instagram can immediately ping your phone. That's a real, tangible reduction in stress. Last pain point. If you already lost access to your old number and locked yourself out of Instagram, you'll have to use email or Facebook to recover. This process requires patience, possibly Zen levels of calm, and lots of clicking "forgot password." All said, it's about a 3-minute fix that could save you hours, maybe even years of digital heartbreak. Take the few steps above, and future you will thank present you the first time Instagram detects suspicious activity somewhere across the world.